dear students, how are you all? Children, I welcome you again in my online computer class. Children, today we'll be going to start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 4, Keyboard Special Keys. So here is your book, ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. And here chapter number 4 is given on page number 44. So take out your books and open page number 44. Now children, before starting this chapter, tell me one thing. What would you use if you write something on a notebook? Children, you would use a pencil or a pen to write in a notebook? The same way, if you want to write something on a computer, you would require keyboard. You cannot write on a computer with the help of a pencil or a pen. So, you would require a keyboard. Now, what you have to do for writing? When we write on a notebook, we hold the pencil and we start writing. But if you want to write something on a computer, we have to press the keys which are given on the keyboard. You have to press the keys. So, those pressing of keys is known as typing. Okay. So, we write on a notebook and we type on a computer. So, typing and writing, they both are different things. Now children, I just hope that you all have noticed, you all have seen a keyboard, isn't it? What you have noticed? You must have noticed that there are some small buttons which are present on it. Okay, so you press those keys and whatever you type on it, that's get appeared on the monitor screen. So what are those small buttons called? Those small buttons are called keys. What are they called? Keys. Children, in some of those keys, letters are written, numbers are written. Okay, so in this chapter we'll be going to discuss about the different types of keys which are present on a keyboard. Here are the different types of keys which are present on the keyboard. The first one is alphabet keys. The children, the keys on which the letters A to Z are written are called alphabet keys. Okay, the children, next is number keys. The keys in which the numbers are written from 0 to 9 are called number keys. Next comes function keys. The keys on which F1 till F12 letters are written are the function keys. These keys are present at the topmost row of the keyboard. Now next comes special keys. The children, about this we'll be going to study in this chapter. Okay children, so let's get started.
So children, this is a keyboard. It is an input device which is used to input the data into the computer. It is used for typing letters and numbers in a computer system. It contains many buttons on it which are called keys. Now children, we have discussed about the different types of keys present on the keyboard. What are they? They are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys and special keys. Now children, we'll discuss about these keys one by one. Now what is an alphabet key? The keys that have the letters from A to Z on them are called the alphabet keys. We use these keys to type words. As we all know that English language has 26 alphabets, so there are 26 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. Now the next type of key is number key. The keys that have numbers printed over them in the keyboard are called number keys. Now children, they are marked from 0 to 9 on the number keys. Most keyboards have a second set of number keys. It is on the right side of the keyboard. It is called numeric keypad. Now the next type of keys are arrow keys. These are also called cursor control keys. They are right, left, up and down arrow keys. These keys help to move the cursor of the mouse in any direction in the screen. Now children, while typing, as you can see on the screen that a small line is continuously blinking. It is known as the cursor. It is the cursor. So the arrow keys helps to move this cursor in any direction. Now the next key is the space bar key. See children, it is the longest key on the keyboard. So children, what is the use of the spacebar key? Yes, it is used to give a blank space between two words, as you can see in the video. Okay children, so now the next type of key is enter key. This key is used to move the cursor to the next line. If you want to move to the next line, you have to use enter key. You will press enter key. Now the next type of keys are function keys. See children, these keys are marked from F1 to F12 and they are specially used to perform a specific tasks. Now children, we'll discuss the special keys on which this chapter is based. Now children, what are the special keys? Special keys are used to perform some special functions. Some of the special keys work in combination with other keys. Now we'll discuss about them one by one. Now children, can you see a key present on the left side of the keyboard on which caps lock is written? Yes children, now can you tell me why do we use this key? Okay, let me tell you. If you wish to write in capital letters on the computer screen, for this you have to use the caps lock key. First you have to press the caps lock key and then after you have to start typing the letters. All the letters will appear in capital. Now children, have you ever noticed that there are some symbols printed above the numbers on the number keys? Yes children, like this. If you wish to type the symbols, you need to press the shift key and the number key together. So children, the shift key is used to type the upper characters of the keys on the keyboard. Now children, the shift key is also used to type in capital letters. If you press the shift key and an alphabet key together, the alphabet is typed in capital letter. So children, the shift key is a better option than the caps lock key if you wish to type only a single capital letter in the beginning of a word. Now children, the next type of key is control key and it is written CTRL on the keys. We can use the control key in the same way as we use the shift key. We have to use the control key combinations to provide shortcuts for many tasks. If you press and hold control key and B alphabet key, then the selected text becomes bold. Now, when you press and hold control key and the alphabet key, that is U, then it underline the selected text on the computer screen. So this is how the control keys are used with the combination. So shift key and control keys are the combination keys. So now children, here comes our next key, that is backspace key. Now children, you can sometimes make a mistake while typing. Here, as you can see that on our screen, the word apple is written wrong. The spelling of apple is written wrong. So I want to erase the extra letter E. So what would I do? For this, I would use backspace key. It erases the extra letter, that is E. Now children, when we press the backspace key, it erases the letters on the left of the cursor. Like this. Now children, here comes the next key, that is delete key. Delete key is used to remove the characters on the right of the cursor. Okay. Now children, notice the position of the cursor in the screen. The letter F is present on the right of the cursor. So, delete key will remove the letter F but not E. Okay, it will remove the letter which is present on the right side of the cursor. So, this is one difference between the delete key and spacebar key.
So children, this is now for today. We have discussed about the different types of keys on a keyboard and the special keys which are present on the keyboard. So children, we'll be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you.